Good morning, traders. Richard here, and a quick Ichimoku cloud chart and artificial intelligence trading review of Sandisk using the Metastock platform and the Fulgent AI engine that sits on the Metastock platform. We can see using the volatility breakout signal, we had a lot of really high probability trade setups, and we've had some phenomenal moves in Sandisk since November 2025. Became very extended from the top in the cloud. We also did not like these wild price swings here at the top end of the cloud. You much rather preferred tight price action as the rally goes, but now the rally got too long in the tooth and took some profit taking after a sell signal on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, cashed out of all of those. And what's next now? Because now we're consolidating back to the top end of the Ichimoku cloud. That's a much needed consolidation. And if we look at these levels, the top end of the front end of the cloud, that level has failed. So the next downside target is the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. So we've got two levels to watch out for. This small one here, that one also failed. And then we've got another one here, just that little dent there. So these are the two downside risk targets, 1436 and 1333. And then if we get a really weak situation in Sandisk, then we could see the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. Now all these three levels here are beautiful swing trade opportunities if we get a rebound from these support zones. So keep a close eye out for price action in and around these cloud chart support zones. But as soon as we dip below the bottom end of the cloud, then we enter bearish territory from a Ichimoku cloud. Price action above the cloud is bullish. Price action below the cloud is bearish. So what I'm looking for is a swing trade rebound from this top end of the Ichimoku cloud. When support comes back in, we want to see those strong candles there, as well as another volatility breakout signal in and around these critical levels. If these levels fail, watch out for the bottom end of the front end of the Ichimoku cloud as the next downside support target. But it's been a really great couple of months trading it. And if we look at this move to the upside and we add a Fibonacci retracement in there, let me just see there. So let's just take a look at this after this cloud chart buy signal and rebound buy signal there, and we look at the high there. You can see we've done a 38% Fibonacci retracement and now busy with a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So that is all healthy. A 50%, 38 to 50% Fibonacci retracement, you can expect that in a stock, and that's healthy. If we're starting to get to a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, yeah, at the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud, then it's a little bit more risky there. But keep a very close eye out for the price interaction in and around the top end of the Ichimoku cloud, and then we could see another potential rebound from that move now that we've had a bit of a healthy correction in Sandisk. Now the other thing to watch out for, if we're going to look at the StarMine institutional data rankings, we can see the bullish cases, the valuation momentum scores in top 30% of the market, 73 percentile ranking. Price momentum's very good. ARM scores 99 percentile ranking. That means the analysts are still upgrading their numbers, so there's lots of positive sentiment in the market. Earnings quality is 100, so with the earnings quality rank, we deep dive into the fundamentals to look at what drives the income and balance sheet items there. From an earnings quality perspective, I will include a detailed StarMine analysis in the blog, so you can read out what each one of these mean within the context of Sandisk. But so far so good. Bullish case fires on all four cylinders. The short interest is at the percentile ranking of 26, and credit score there slightly risky on the credit score side of things. But so far so good. All the StarMine rankings very, very bullish. Valuation's not the cheapest out there, can improve on that, but overall, StarMine rankings very positive from a quantitative fundamental side of things. But just back to the chart, so keep a very close eye for the price interaction in around these top end and bottom end Ichimoku cloud chart support zones, and we're looking for another volatility breakout trade signal in and around those levels. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.